Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going into the Vosteed Porcupine. So this is the first Vosteed knife that I've picked up. So if you guys are new to the channel, I just started doing knife reviews not too long ago. My idea behind it was to find some good quality knives between the price of $30 and $120. Every once in a while, we'll do a knife below $30. Every once in a while, we'll probably do one above $120. But a majority of the time is to find one between $30 and $120 that is well worth it, and ones that I really enjoy. And if I ever come across a bad knife, I'll make sure to review it as well, so you guys know my thoughts on it for whatever that's worth. But today we're looking at the Vosteed Porcupine. This is available in multiple different color options. This is the sky blue G10 scales, and the camera's not picking it up great. It kind of looks lighter on camera. I really like it. It's different. It does kind of stand out, but it's all right. I just like the color combination. So this specific Porcupine with the sky blue G10 scales, it also has orange accents around the pivot collar as well as the lanyard hole. You got your standoffs back here. I kind of like that orange accent for the lanyard hole. It's kind of a cool little design. It does use a thumb hole and feels great. Reverse flick. I believe they actually released a new one where it has thumb studs. I think some people were complaining about the thumb hole. I actually like the thumb hole. I think it works really well. Once you kind of figure it out, in order to get it with your thumb, you kind of have to push up and at an angle, and you kind of got to get the meat of your finger in there. When I first got it, I was struggling, but once you figure it out, it works really well. But I can see where people would want thumb studs. As far as the blade, let me go ahead and wipe this off since I boogered it up. Not much better. So this blade is 14C28N with a satin finish drop point design. It is 2.99 inches long. Then the overall length is 7.25 inches, and it comes in at 3.7 ounces. There are a lot of things that I really like about this knife. The finger hole, I'm a fan of. You got a finger choil down here. It's got jimping. You also have 2 rows of top jimping on the blade, some more aggressive ones back here, and a little bit finer up here for choking up on the blade. And then you actually have jimping that runs the steel liner as well. You got a set back here and up here towards the base of the blade, and then even some on the bottom as well. So tons of jimping on this knife, and it's very comfortable in the hand. It is a button activated top liner lock, which is becoming more and more popular. I really like that lock. Very smooth. It does have a wire style reversible deep carry pocket clip, which I actually really like. I like the wire pocket clips, especially on knives in this price range. There's just kind of a look at the blade itself. So like I said, there are many different options available. This specific one ran me right around $70. I got it on Amazon. You can find it multiple other places, different websites, and a lot of the times you can get 10 or 15% off on those websites, and then every once in a while you'll see it go on sale on Amazon as well. But if there is any information that I forgot to mention about this knife that you guys would like to know, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll be happy to answer it for you guys. But if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.